tuning in to our Master of the Market segment. So last week, obviously the big story is what's going on with Israel and Hamas and the war that is now in Gaza. So that is a story that provides maybe what they call a safe haven trade into the U.S. dollar and U.S. dollar denominated assets like bonds and mortgage-backed securities. On the other side of the coin, working against us in the bond market, we had some inflation numbers last week, which were a little higher than expected, that unnerved the market. But the bigger story was the debt. Last week, we had a 10-year note auction, a 30-year bond auction that were just dogs. And what that means is that in order for the Treasury to sell bonds, they had to get a higher rate for people to take it. And that's a troubling trend that we have to watch in the weeks and months ahead. The good news is it looks like that the Fed, despite some of the inflation numbers, we're really backing away from any more rate hikes. And part of the reason is because they said long-term rates have already moved higher and is doing the job of the Fed. So it looks like, at least right now, the Fed may be done hiking rates, but this story can and probably will change. Now, this week, there isn't much on the way of economic reports. We got to watch the story unfold in Israel and Gaza. And the piece that we're watching at Mortgage Market Guide real carefully is energy. The last time we had an invasion where Russia went and attacked Ukraine, we watched oil go from 90 to 135 very quickly. And that just changed everything from an inflation perspective. So anyway, I hope you have a great week. There's a lot to track. I hope this finds you well. We'll talk soon. Bye for now.
For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to nationalmortgageprofessional.com.